Alright, what up YouTube? Today I just want to make a quick video, see if I can get you guys' thoughts on what I should do. I just got my stuff from American Muscle. Here's the thing you stick on your windshield and the thing so you can park up or whatever. You know I gotta wear my Camaro driver's favorite view t-shirt. I don't know if my buddy has any more of these, but check him out at Bring It Muscle Cars. I'll throw his channel up there. Bring It Muscle Cars. Get a quick little cold start for you guys. Powering up. For today's video, I just wanted to ask you guys, should I leave the Americanized stripe on the car, or should I rip it off before the American Muscle show? Let me know in the comments. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Should I rip it off, or should I rock the Stars and Stripes? I'm gonna get it cleaned up before the show, and hope I see you guys out there. Come say what's up. Promise I don't bite. I'm gonna go check the mail real quick. Supposedly they delivered my filter, so let's go see. None of that mail is mine, but this key. K&N filter, and I got me an ATP cabin air filter, and this is for my radar detector. See if it works. I got the Valentine One. I picked it up a little while ago. I tried to hardwire it, but I was like, it doesn't really make sense hardwiring it because I'm about to buy another car. So I want it to be mobile, so I'll just plug it in right down here, and that way I can switch it vehicle to vehicle whenever I need to. It also makes it easier for me to take it down when I'm not in the car for an extended period of time, because I don't want anybody to break my windows or anything trying to steal it. I also picked up my first GoPro, so gonna have some videos coming, so make sure you subscribe, stay tuned for that. The memory card, I think, is on back order or some bullshit, so I don't know when I'll be able to use this, but I have it, so that's what matters. I don't really know how to use this. I live in Pennsylvania, if that matters, but if you guys know like what mode is the best mode to use or whatever, just hit me up in the comments. Help me out a little bit. I'm a newbie, so yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching this little update video. Let me know in the comments, should I leave the wrap on or take it off or whatever. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Radar detector going off.